In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur a face in Ibis Paint X. Now, the easiest way by far to do this is to first select your layer. So I'm going to go to bottom right, go to layers and select the layer with the face. And then I'm going to go to bottom left where you can see the brush icon. Tap on that and switch over to blur, which is this one. And then from here, whenever you do this, it's going to have your blur brush selected. Then you want to select its size. Like, of course, here, as you can see, you can change it. I'm going to go maximum size right now. And the opacity as well. I'm gonna go maximum as well, and then you can just basically blur over the face by painting over it. Okay, so we can just go over it like this. As you can see, I'm doing it. It's a bit laggy because I'm recording, but essentially you get the point. Okay, so we can just blur the face, and you can do as many layers as you want. So we can go like twice or 3 times over it, and that's going to add even more blur just like that. Okay, now eventually when you keep doing this, it's going to make the face unrecognizable, and it's gonna make it enough blurry, of course, to your own preference. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.